In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your console trim bezel. Fits the 2005 through 2007 Chrysler 300. And it's located right around your shifter. Using your plastic trim tool, you want to go between the outside molding and your trim bezel and gently pry up, working your way around. Pop that up, pull it out. When installing your trim bezel, you want to make sure that the lock tab is on the upper right hand side. On the back side there is no trim there, it's just a little lock tabs around the perimeter. So make sure that that single tab is up in the upper right hand corner. Slide it over, simply push it down into place and snap it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.